Stock strategist, Prospect Trading Academy. Very good morning to you, Charles. How are you approaching your example trade for Oklo?
Cautiously, to be honest. I'm looking for a pullback near this 115 range. I think that would be a really good price range to try and buy in a little bit of value. This has got some great upside momentum in the near term. You could see there's been a lot of institutional buying, a lot of retail trader euphoria. So I'm looking for a pullback early this week to around 115. I'd be targeting the October 3rd call vertical at the 130, 140 strike, ideally at around 175 or lower. Now, some people may be able to bid up to the $2 mark if you're comfortable with the risk. The risk is actually going to be the price of the spread. I think that you're going to have to kind of take a shot here if you want this reward, because this could double up very quickly if the rebound does take place and retraces back to their all-time highs. And of course, if they take out that Friday's high, this thing could easily explode to around 150. But with how stocks, when they move traditionally, historically, what goes up fast comes down fast. So I would actually be looking to consider taking profits, or at least some profits, at around 50 to 75% gains if it does work out.
Okay, then a good look at Oklo and an example trade for that one. Charles, just want to get your overall thoughts on the market. We've actually turned positive on the S&P 500 and NASDAQ this morning. It does seem like we are recouping some earlier losses, perhaps a suggestion that the dip buyers have sort of stepped in once again, but still approaching with caution as we wait to hear from these Fed speakers. What are you watching?
Well, just the general markets. I thought that the Qs were facing some, pretty key resistance at the $600 mark. We've gone through that level, made new highs, historic highs, of course. A lot of this is going to be attributed to Oracle in the near term. We talk about these Mag 7 names, especially in light of NVIDIA and how they've been performing. But, we've seen a little bit of disinterest in names like Google and Amazon and Meta as of late, and even Microsoft. So I'm actually looking for Oracle to start finally waking up after that big jump off of earnings. If they start retracing back to those highs, they can help carry NVIDIA. NVIDIA has always been the market barometer over the last